Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Poco X7 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Poco and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Poco, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button to connect. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!